These are CRL, says 18672, made in USA, and right on the side here has the patent numbers. And this is from a 1954 Wurlitzer organ. These are identical. Here's another one. To the step-up switches used in a Fender Telecaster or Stratocaster. I actually have 6 of these. And this, there's a screw that you'd have to unscrew to get this off. You could put your own top cap that you wanted. These are the ones that came with it. And this is actually used in the vibrato control on the organ from a 1954 Wurlitzer Model 44 organ. And they do work well. And I have 6 of these if you wanted more than one. But the auction is going to be only for one.